Alright, this is how you start your Ford when your ignition starts going. And mine went, so bearing with the camera. See? No go. This is what you do with a 90 F-150. Pop the hood. Find your favorite screwdriver. Master Craft, mine. Not really, but I'm poor. You go in front, hood. See this thing? This thing's usually plugged in right here for it to go in, but mine needs dielectric grease. And this is how you start. She hasn't started in about 2.5 days. Parked her Thursday and it's now Saturday. Probably stay at high idle for another couple of seconds here. Pretty nice. Besides all the shit. Those are the gaskets for the timing chain, valve. I gotta do a head gasket, but I'm gonna late. Sounds really good, but there's some valve clatter. The transmission has a leak, but it's pretty nice. Oh yeah, she sounds pretty good. Well, I'm going to sign off. I got some shit to do. Fix my mom's table, which I'll show you shortly here. And it's pretty good. That came with the truck. The second owner put that in. I think the second owner only had her for probably about 2 months. Did that for his wife, but his wife didn't want this thing. Then did the exhaust because everything was all pop canned. Fuckers. But he put in these auxiliary lights in the back under here. Excuse the wiring, but I don't think you can see it. There you go. The light's up right here. And then you did the back here. There's this one for the front, which you've probably seen. But it's a pretty nice truck. Needs a tune. Distributor cap. Had to put a new fucking oil sensor in it. The sensor was pissing fucking oil everywhere. Put that in, then I had to get the fucking power steering pump done. That gauge hasn't moved since I got it. Fucking centering unit went. That never moves, so I have to do that too. The fucking battery's old, but I'll deal with it. But this is pretty fun to drive around. Scare old ladies and everything. I'll show you here and I'll step on her for you guys. Pretty nice sound. And I got no fucking windshields, wipers. Sounds pretty good though. I got some front end work to do on it. I'll give her here right now. Oh yeah, she goes. She pickups and goes. So I'm not complaining. I got up to 60 are pretty good. Everything's full. Did the oil change on Thursday, but still have to get a timing chain case. Didn't even have time to do that, so I'm going at my destination now for a drive. I'll upload this right away here. Please like and subscribe for some more videos. Thanks. Just signing here.